beautifuls, it is time for Chef Lyriq to make lasagna rolls. Lasagna rolls are basically everything inside a lasagna rolled up into the noodle. The first step to making these lasagna rolls is to make the beef. We already have our pan heated up. All we need to do is let the beef simmer. Let's get into it. Okay guys, now we're going to add our beef to the pan. The pan should be hot enough, and then we're going to let it simmer until it's brown but not too brown, and then you're good to go and add your seasoning.
I'ma make a big change with a smart brain. Promise you I can do anything, cause I am enough. I know that I'm enough. Shine bright like a big star, you will go far. Show the whole world who you are, cause you are enough. I know that you're enough. This light of mine, gonna shine bright. Got wings, I'ma spread, watch me take flight. As I soar above the clouds, take the world by storm, I'ma make my parents proud. If I think it, I can do it, that's a true dream chaser. Trust me, you can do it too, got a strong mind. With a bigger heart, use my brain every day, how I love being smart. Yes, that's the key to our success. Study now, so you make it through the test. Don't forget when it's struggle that you see.
Okay, while our beef is simmering, we're going to make some ricotta filling. We're going to use some ricotta, onion powder, minced garlic, and 1 egg, and some shredded parmesan. So, let's get into it.
So you make it through the test. Don't forget when it's struggle that you see, you're enough to be all that you can be. I'ma make a big change with a smart brain. Promise you I can do anything, cause I am enough. I know that I'm enough. Shine bright like a big star, you will go far. Show the whole world who you are, cause you are enough.
Hey guys, we are back. We have all our ingredients set out. I've already washed my hands and we made the noodles off camera, and now we're ready to make our lasagna rolls. So first you're gonna start off with 1 piece of the noodle. Then you're gonna add a little bit of ricotta. Just spread it out. I wouldn't do a lot, but I like ricotta, I think. I think that's good. And then you're going to put a little bit of beef in the middle, or on top of the ricotta. Then it's time to roll it up. And then you'll place it in your pan. I'm going to do that a couple more times and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so we finished the lasagna rolls. We preheated the oven to 400 degrees and we cooked it for about 15 to 20 minutes. We also made some garlic cheesy bread to go with it. So this is how it turned out. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! It looks so good. It's very steamy. But I think this is gonna taste amazing. I think, hopefully. I worked very hard on it, so I think it's gonna taste amazing. Yeah. Wow. Looks so good. Now it's time for the taste test. Get a little bit of everything. I did a very good job. I recommend you guys trying this out. Definitely. 10 out of 10. It's cheesy bread is always good. Okay, guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, don't forget the 3 B's. Be you, be great, be creative. Bye!
I'ma make a big change with a smart brain. Promise you I can do anything, cause I am enough. I know that I'm enough. Shine bright like a big star, you will go far. Show the whole world who you are.